Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all well by God's grace. In today's video of Season 2 of Art Fiber, I will show you my cardboard armored Batman helmet and Batman's Batarang. As you can see, I have several Avengers helmets. Those of you who need a Batman helmet template can visit testY.com or Pinterest.com. I made this helmet and Batarang earlier using old boxes, tape and glue. Unfortunately, I don't have that video. Using only white and black, I'm trying to create a gray color that looks more like a metallic color. Mixed a little glue in this color so that the color lasts longer. Then I mixed it well using a brush. Now it's time to paint using a brush. I paint around the helmet nicely. When the color dries, it is time to design. Using black gel pen, I make various marks on the helmet and highlight the shape. I am dragging the video 10 times fast so that it takes less time, so you can understand how much time it took me to make this helmet. In the case of white ink, the design must be done in one process. Then I will use fixative spray, because if you use it, the color of the helmet will not rise and it will look bright. Helmet is ready, but something is still missing. Batarang I made separately in the same process. I took 2 small pieces of white paper. Then, using glue, I attached 2 pieces of paper well along the helmet size. Finally, our desired helmet and Batarang are ready. Hope you liked the video. That's it for today. See you in the next new video.